Hey guys, Hillary here. I am in my reading room. It's just my comfortable loungy room where I read books. Anyways, that's not why I'm making this video. I'm making this video to kind of give an update on my kitchen reno. It's taking a lot longer than I had originally hoped, but that's completely my fault. I guess not really fault, but I'm in charge of how long it takes or not, and I'm just kind of dragging my heels because it's my summer and I'm enjoying my summer. I've got these lovelies with me right now, Mitzi and Scooby-Doo. Oh. Anyways, loving spending time with them and just doing nothing has been really great. So, of course, my kitchen is still a mess because it's in the middle of remodel. So there's, tools and drop cloths and all kinds of stuff in there right now. And so it's not the most functional space as a kitchen right now. But it works. So I am actually I've really started to get on board with the backsplash part of the renovation. I've finished the cabinets. They're all completely done and hung back up where they belong. And so now my focus is on the backsplash. Hi, Scooby-Doo wants to say hi. And so I've been ripping that up, and that's been a pretty big job. It takes a lot of time and effort and willpower, I guess. And so I think this part, having a dog relocation right now. Okay, thank you, Scoopy, thank you. Okay, thank you. Say bye-bye. Can you go? No, you just want to be in the video. Cool. Anyways, so that's what I'm working on right now. I just kind of wanted to give y'all an update on that. I've been posting a couple of videos, or I've recorded a couple of videos. I'll post them as soon as I have the space on my phone to, or not space, but yeah, yes, they're queued up right now. They're in line to be posted to YouTube. So, part of it is, or the videos that I have ready to be uploaded are ones of preparing or replacing, I guess, fixing, repairing and preparing the drywall for the backsplash. So, be on the lookout for those, and then hopefully we can actually get some backsplash installed soon. I'm really excited about that part, and just to be done with it and have the overall picture, have before and after pictures up. It already looks like a completely new kitchen, just having the cabinets redone. Anyways, so be on the lookout for that, and I guess if you have any ideas or desires of things to learn that you don't know, that, I mean, sure, let's try it. It's a skill supply, right? So the idea is to be giving you guys some skills, or sharing some skills with you guys that I know. And right now it's my kitchen renovation, which is a really big deal. But if you have other smaller ideas or desires to learn, let me know, and I will gladly hop on board with those. Just leave some comments down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you're interested in learning some new skills. Okay? Alright guys, bye. Have a good day.